How to convert zip file to PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, browse to the location where your zip file is stored. For example, for me it's on my iPhone folder. After opening the folder, tap on the zip file to uncompress it. This action will extract the contents into the same folder. In this case, it is an image file. Now, long press the extracted file to open the Options menu. Here, tap on Quick Actions, and then select Create PDF. As you can see, a new PDF file has been created from the extracted image. Click on the image and tap on the image name in the center. A drop-down menu will appear and you will see the image is saved in a PDF document format. Following these steps, you can easily convert a zip file to PDF on an iPhone.